Hi, hello, how are you? I am fine. What about you? I am also fine. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. May I ask you some questions? Yes, of course, why not? What's your name? My name is Farhan. How old are you? I am 7 years old. What's your father's name? My father's name is Fuzlur. What's your mother's name? My mother's name is Jinia. What's your father? My father is a government employer. What's your mother? My mother is a homemaker. Where are you from? I'm from Russia. Where do you live? I live in Dhaka. What class do you study in? I study in class 1. What do you like? I like to play. What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What's your favorite game? My favorite game is football. What's the name of your school? My school's name is Dhaka Cantonment. What's it? It's a fan. What color is it? It's black. Is it yours? No, it's not mine. How many people there in your family? There are 4 people in my family. Are you okay? Yes, I am okay. What date is it? It's 2 November 2024. What month is it? It's November. What year is it? It's 2024. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. See you next time. See you too.